What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. Check out the 1967 Camaro convertible big block 396 4-speed SS car. Beautiful blue paint, buckets interior, power steering, power brakes, limited slip. Nice. Top's in great shape. I've taken plenty of photos and put them online at our website, MGMClassicCars.com. This thing is real nice. We're gonna go through it so you know exactly what you're getting. Nice car. It's got a limited slip. I think I mentioned it. It's sitting on American racing wheels with BF Goodrich tires that are in great shape. This door is open. Let me close it. There we go. Great lines, great stance. All original quarters. Thing is straight. Let me get down a little bit here. Clean, no brakes, nice car. Your front chrome and grilling, everything's in good shape. Lower valance, all your lights, horn, turn signals are working, wipers working. All your glass around the car and chrome is in good shape. No stories. Your front fender's in good shape. 396. This thing moves, it runs great, stops good, handles well. It's got a great gap, the way it should, from the fender to the door. Those are your American racing wheels. Door to the quarter, gaps out great. A couple little touch-ups here, which I'll take care of. I'll get my guy to touch them up. The rear quarter's in great shape. And look how straight this car is, folks. Nice. Tires are all good. Rear chrome bumper's in good shape. Lower valance. It lines up great, the way it should. All the way throughout. Good gaps. Trunk is in great shape. All your weather stripping around the car is real good. This was a ground off, restored car, frame off car. I've got a full description as well online. Trunk is excellent. Nice. Clean. All your lights in the back are working. Passenger quarters in good shape. I don't see any paint flaws. Good gap on the door. It's a little off up on top, but not a biggie. I'll touch that up, but you see that one little gap is a little off there, but nothing major. But the fender to the door is fine. And the fender is good, again, badged up. Let me open the hood. Bam! There you go. Nice and clean underneath. 396. Power brakes. Power steering. New chrome alternator. All fresh. All your hoses and belts are good. Looks like original manifolds are on here as well, which is nice. Nice, clean. MSD. All your hoses are good. Duralast battery. Heater core is intact. Look how clean it is in here. Nice car. Fire this puppy up. Fire in the hole. It shows 2,800 miles on the odometer. I'll show you the interior in a second. Great sound, nice little rumble. Keep in mind, only here with the vent windows. Interior's really nice. Dash, no cracks. Sun visor's intact. Got speakers in the back. In the sill pans on both sides. It's a 4-speed Muncie transmission. Take a bunch of pictures of the underneath and post them up on my website as well. All right. All right. Clutch lets out good. Oh, she pulls. What do you expect? 396 big block. Tight steering. Clutch is real good. Steering is tight. No funky noises. All right, let's see what you got, girl. Show me what you're working with. Shake that ass. Shifts real nice and smooth. Braking's good. All right, let's see if we hear any funky noises. Nice running car, plenty of performance, runs out strong, suspension's great, and just wants to cruise. But if you want to get on it, it's gonna rip. Anybody's looking to get some financing done and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739 score, go to my website with 10% down. Fill out the application, up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Fill out the application, usually 24-hour approval, sometimes no money down, again, 84 months. We have over 120 vehicles in stock. All my descriptions, pricing, video, and pictures are online. And we ship all over the United States, enclosed and open, bonded and insured. If you have any questions on shipping or any of our vehicles, please don't hesitate to text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We're located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. Call me or text me at 773-600-0919, and I'll get you in. Man, I want to just keep driving this car. It drives so nice. What a cruiser. It's a nice car. Nothing to worry about here. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell your friends. Like us on Facebook. My name is Earl, and it was a pleasure showing you this 67 big block 396 convertible Camaro. That's a real nice car. Let's get this thing home with you. Have a great day, everybody. Ciao.